documentary on mud, on fucking dirt, on filth, on goddamn England, bro. This has been my last 2 days here. Just sloppy. How y'all feeling?
Good, I'm good. I'm trying to remember what side of the road to stay on.
First time in London?
Everything the beer, you see?
We've been here hundreds. First time too.
Yeah, I think I see like, I see a little bit of it. You know what I'm saying?
This is Buckingham Palace.
Like I said, Chucky's house.
So last night we did the tour left and right of the street. So we went, I mean, about maybe 2 or 3 miles this way to Czars. Really nice bar tour. And then this way looking for snacks, like 12 o'clock at night.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're all the way down, and then the community changes a little.
Yeah.
Kind of gets
Real
south
quick. Real quick.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. And so the cab driver was like, I can drop you off. I said, yeah, we may not get picked up. We're gonna stay in the cab.
This man riding a horse with a suit on.
Hey, what's going on,
You're from where?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. Okay. I went past there once. We had to ride a race in London. Oh, okay. And continually in Baltimore. So they flew us to New York, then we flew from New York to Washington, and then they put us in a coach.
Damn. Sorry. I want a whole bike made of Legos.
It's the first bike shop we've seen in London. It's called Personal Bike Fit. Her friends went up to me, like texting me on this fake number, talking on my dead grandma. I don't know why, but they just want. I think they felt they need to do it. I didn't say anything back to them, cause you know.
Because that shit is moving. Like, they're the ones moving funny.
Exactly. Like all her and her friends were spreading rumors about me the whole time.
I told you with the terms right, we can make a trade. For the footages you took as well. You got it. Cool.
We know what? Put nobody hand at the ground. We love a little island hand at the sun. With them sugar cane, banana and rum. The shop goes with water, but give up for the rum. The juice, the mic and the bump on the jump. Pick up the small and with the high grading and the rum. Like the whole meditation and praise, fix it up. 7 mile of white sand where the tourists run. Ask Steve,